Namaste everyone, this is Mansi Gulati. Hope everyone is fine. Let's do yoga that help to control and cure cold and cough. You know guys, other than medication, we can take steam also. It is also really going to help you a lot. And kada. Kada, we have to add 3 beautiful things: turmeric, black pepper and ginger powder. So please do take it for 7 days and see the amazing result. Let's start yoga. We can sit in Dhyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Deep inhalation, exhalation. Let us seed our mindset with positive thought. I'm beautiful, healthy, abundant. Very gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Gently massage and release. So let's start. First, I'm going to teach you diving kriya. This is the best kriya we can do. What you're going to do in this, you are going to inhale, exhale inside. Let's do it together. First, deep inhalation, guys. Exhale. Hold your nostril. Release. Close your eyes for 5 seconds. Feel the sense of relaxation. Let's do this again. Deep inhalation, exhalation, holding your nostril, holding your breath and see the amazing result. Let's do this. It is really good if you have any difficulty while breathing, so this is really going to solve your problem. Now let's do second asana. We are going to sit in Sukhasana only and very slowly just go down with exhalation. Come up. Release. Now let's do a very good pose. This is also really going to help us. Just hold it properly. Hold it. And inhale, look up. Look up your roof. This is also excellent for stimulating our nervous system. And last asana will do mindfulness pose that also help to increase blood circulation. Let's do this. Hold it like this. Apply light pressure from both sides. Very, very gentle rotation. Swipe it. Keep your index finger on your eyeball and rotate gently. Hope you liked the video. Do like and share. See you again, guys. Thank you.